Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do self practice 2A, the part of this exercise that we have done in the book 1, 2, 3, 5 we have done in book, but question number 4, 6 and 7 today we will do one by one. Now come to the question number 4. The question number 4 is telling that write an example of each property using whole number. The first we have identity property. So in identity property we have to give the example. So let's give the example here. So basically, what is the identity property? If we add any number with 0, we are getting the same value. So we take example here. If suppose example we take number 7 and we add with number 7 0, so we always get the same value. Another examples you take, if we are taking 9 as a number, so we are getting same, or we can write 0, first 0 then 9, again we are getting same value. So that is the identity property. That means the number who do not lose their identity if it is added with 0. Okay. Next we have commutative property. So first there is two: commutative property under addition and commutative property under subtraction. One by one we do commutative property under addition. So let's take an example. Let's take example here. So for example, if we take any pair of whole number, suppose we are taking 4 plus 3, we are getting 7. And suppose if we, in commutative property, if we change the order of this, means first if we put 3 and then 4, so in this time we also get the same value 7. That means commutative property, the property is known as commutative property under addition, and this is true. So 4 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 4. So that is valid, okay, under addition. But if we take example of commutative property under subtraction, so let's take example here. If we take any number like 4 minus 3, we are getting 1. If we change the order, pair, if we put 3 first and 4 later, so 3 minus 4, so we are getting minus 1. Now you can see 1 and minus 1 which is not equal, so we can write 4 minus 3 is not equal to the 3 minus 4. So under subtraction whole number is not commutative, but under addition it is commutative. Okay, so it is commutative, it is not commutative. Okay. Next is associative property. In this associative property under addition, so if we take example here, examples, if we take 3 whole numbers, if we take any 3 whole number, if we suppose we are taking 9 plus 7 plus 5, if we are taking any 3 whole number and going to add this, so first we have to take a pair. Okay, so first we are taking this 9 plus 7. So 9 plus 7, 16, and then plus 5. Okay, and next step we are getting 16 plus 5, 21. Okay, if we change the order, means same we are taking in the same way, but in this time we are taking this pair. So this first we add this pair. Now 9 plus 7 plus 5 equal to 12, and that is 9 plus 12 21. So in the both the cases it is we are getting equal, so the property is associative under addition, but it is not under subtraction. The property is not valid under subtraction. So if we take three whole number and if we subtract this any three numbers, suppose we are taking same, and if we take pair of this is the example I am taking example. First we going to subtract this pair, so 9 minus 7, that becomes 2 minus 5, and that will be minus 3. Okay, if we change the pair, suppose we first subtract 7 minus 5. So in this case 9 minus 7 minus 5, that is 2. So 9 minus 7, that is 7. Now which is not equal, minus 3 and plus 7, which is not equal. That means associative property under subtraction is not, means whole number under associative property under subtraction is not valid. Next we have simplify each expression and identify the property used. So 8 plus 23 plus 2. So if we change the order, if we place 2 here and 23 there, so we are going to change the place. 8 plus 2 plus 23, and that become 10 plus 23, and that is equal to 33. So here the property that we have used, we are changing the order of this. So here we use the property commutative property. Okay, because of commutative property we are going to change the place. Okay, so here we used. Now in this case again we are going to change the place. 17 plus 3, we are going to change the place. So we can change the place because of commutative property. So 17 plus 3, that is 20, plus 29, and that we are getting 49. So here we used same property, commutative property. Okay, commutative property. Now here we have four whole numbers here. So we take again we are going to change the place. So if we are going to change the place, that means if we place 12 here and 13 there, so it becomes 8 plus 12 plus 8 plus 12 plus 7 plus 13. So the property that we have used, that is commutative property. Okay, again in the next we are going to add the pair. So first we add this pair and then we will add this pair. Okay, so here we are taking the property we called associative property. So 8 plus 12, that is 20, and 7 plus 13, that is also 20. Okay, so here we used associative property, and the answer we are getting 40. So that is the answer. Okay.